Number 4, here we're going to look at part A. Notice that the elevation of a fish is 27 feet below the sea level. From its initial elevation, the fish descends 32 feet to eat kelp on the bottom of the ocean floor. From there, the fish ascends its elevation by 14 feet to join the school of fish. What is the new elevation for the fish? We approach this by seeing it on a number line, and we draw the number line vertically because fish goes up and down. We want to set a base level of 0, and that is where the water is. That's the water surface. Notice here that the fish is going to be located 27 feet below the sea level. For right now, I'm just going to treat it as positive. Okay. Here it says it descends down 32 feet, so that fish is going to move down 32. And in this process, I'm just going to add it because it's going down. 27 plus 32 is 59. That is the elevation when the fish is on the ocean floor eating kelp. Then the fish ascends, so it goes up 14 feet. And when it goes up, I'm going to subtract it because that's in the opposite direction. 59, add negative 14. That gets me that level there, and that is going to be 45. So I would say that the fish new elevation is 45 feet below sea level. Question B, it says you are swimming in that same ocean and your elevation is 1/3 of the fish's new elevation. What is your elevation? Well, here is the answer from the last problem. The fish end up at an elevation of 45 feet. When it says 1/3 of the fish's new elevation, we do 1/3. Okay, we cut it into 1/3 pieces, or we can just see that as a multiplication. The word of means multiply. So we can do 45 times 1/3. We can multiply the top across. 45 times 1 is 45, and the bottom number is 1 times 3, which is 3. 45 divided by 3, it becomes the number 15. Therefore, we can say that we are 15 feet below sea level.